64-year-old woman stop having her pap smear done. At 64, she has abnormal bleeding. And then, pag-examine ko po sa Pertana, lo and behold, I was right, she had cervical cancer. O diba sayang, kung tinuloy niya pa po yung pap smear niya, di sana na-detect namin siya earlier. Yes. Mayroon po ako mga cases na 67, 77, and I think Miss Carol saw an 80-year-old in Palawan with cervical cancer. Yes. But yesterday, I heard there is an 83-year-old woman. So, Doktora, ano ba yun? Ba't ganon? They are already latter age, diba? Ganon pa po ba sila sexually active? Hindi po. Yun yung sinasabi ko. You might get the virus before and doesn't have any sign and symptoms. And then eventually, pagdating po sa pagtanda, wherein old person or senior citizens na sinasabi po natin are prone to classified as immunocompromised. Mababa po ang immune system nila. So eventually, lumalabas po yung signs and symptoms. The youngest po na narinig ko po had a cervical cancer is a 19-year-old female. Imagine nyo, 19. So how long or how young she has when during her first sexual contact. Kaya ko na po nalaman na about that. Kasi po, yung sister niya who was very young, she raised her hand. Sabi niya, vaccinated na po ako. Sabi ko, bakit? Ay, hindi ako makarelate ng mga mas bata pa na nababakunahan. Kasi po, my older sister was diagnosed with cervical cancer at 19. That's why my parents had already brought me to my doctor para po mabakunahan. So, that patient died after 10 years. So, she died in 29. Diba? Mostly, peak pa lang po ng career natin po. Although you are so few, tayo po sa mga tatay dito, parati ko pong sinasabi na the best way po to love your children is to love their mother. So be faithful, have yourself vaccinated. And para naman po sa mga kababaihan na nandito ngayon, whether you are single right now and soon to be mother or mothers here and grandmothers here, the best reason to take good care of yourself is being a mother. Tama? Kasi how can you take good care of your family kung kayo po mismo may sakit? Once again, I'm Dr. Elizabeth King, Kuya. Come and join me in one community against HPV. Laban po tayo.